Cardiovascular diseases are the #1 causes of death here in the United States. On average, one American dies every 39 seconds from disorders of the heart and blood vessels. So early detection through the use of vascular testing procedures could save your life. And going to a physician's office that provides quality patient care, it is critical. Vascular surgeon Dr. Advertiser Sharma, he is the founder and medical director of Arizona Vein and Laser Institute. He is here to explain what sets his clinic apart from others. Great to see you.
Nice seeing you too.
And you all just received IAC accreditation. Please explain what that means.
That's right. This is an intersocietal accreditation council. They have experts for different fields, and they come and assess your work, your credentials, how you work, your working ethics, and your conditions in a clinic, everything.
And you received accreditation for both vascular and veins. So how does that set your clinic apart?
That's right. For the vascular testing, it involves ultrasound, which is the main procedure before the vein surgery. And I am an RVT. I am a certified vascular technologist. And I have a certification from them, and I can read those ultrasounds. So we make sure that all the problems we detect, they aren't overread or underread. They're correct. This is what they're looking for, the council.
How long have you been doing this?
I've been doing it for the last 15 years. I'm one of the premier clinics here in the Valley.
And that coupled with the accreditation, this is total vein care. Why is it so critical that I, as a consumed or should be consumed client, come to a clinic that is accredited?
That's right. It depends, what physician you're looking at. If you go to a vascular surgeon who has experience with the open procedures and the endovascular procedure, and I started doing this endovascular procedures in '95 when very few surgeons in the United States were doing these procedures. And I have done most of the vascular cases, complicated or simple cases. So definitely I have much more knowledge, and I've seen all the complicated cases.
So what should patients look for when choosing a vein clinic?
Definitely, it's a complete process. It involves some surgical intervention too. So if your doctor is not surgically trained, definitely that's one no. And as a vascular surgeon, I can do the open procedure as well as the endovascular because I've been trained like that.
So you're doing the before, the treatment, and then the after. So explain the significance then of the total vein care that you provide.
That's right. Total vein care is, one is the assessment, and that involves are you being certified in reading those ultrasounds and how your techs are doing. Second is doing the procedure, how experienced you are. And I have a lot of experience in these procedures. I've done about 15,000 procedures.
Wow.
And then and it also involves the phlebectomy, which is a surgical procedure, and only surgeons should be doing it. And then sclerotherapy. So it's a complete treatment. So unless you are trained to do all these things, so that's what you're looking for.
And for those watching out there who may be suffering from varicose veins or bulging veins, what is the treatment like?
This treatment is done in the office. It's done under local anesthetic. The patients that come on their own to my clinic, they get the treatment done and they leave on their own. Some patients do get back to their work right after the procedure.
And you have a free shuttle service that you provide.
That's
Why is
true.
that so important to you?
That's true, because some of the patients, they have some handicap and they cannot drive or they can't get a ride, but they want to get the treatment, they are suffering. So definitely we provide a free shuttle for them.
Well, Dr. Sharma, thank you so much. You always give such great information. We want to give you some information now. Arizona Vein and Laser Institute has 5 Valley locations. They are in Glendale, Avondale, Surprise, Phoenix, and Chandler. Dr. Sharma is offering free vein screenings and same-day appointments at all 5 locations are available. And don't forget about the free shuttle service if you need it. 602-298-VEIN. That's the number to call to book your appointment, 602-298-8346, or go to ArizonaVeinandLaser.com.